I got 99 problems, but drop shipping ain't one. What's going on, everybody? It's me, Walter Gray, and I'm back with tales from the world of drop shipping. Don't forget to stick around to the end, because I got drop shipping secrets that'll knock your socks off. Listen, y'all, it's been a long week. 6 days of grinding, making money, and 1 day of rest and contemplation. But even when I'm in my Sunday best, I still can't help but think of e-commerce. Here's the thing, I was out grabbing lunch last weekend with a friend of mine. We got to talking about e-commerce because everybody knows I'm a nut for this stuff. Anyway, my friend told me something that stuck with me. He had just started drop shipping, which that was interesting because I didn't know he was the type. But like so many people, he got caught on one particularly nasty snag. He was having a hard time finding winning products, running ads that actually work, and not wasting months testing random ideas. He wanted to know what I thought, and I told him what I tell everybody. Give turnkey dropshipping a try. Check this out. If you're able to create a whole brand, I mean everything from product selection to demographic testing and advertising, and if you're able to get it to be comprehensive, then you're almost guaranteed to make a killing. Over 72% of e-commerce entrepreneurs who are able to get over this initial hurdle start making upwards of 100K. The only problem is that it takes some serious work. Building a real brand isn't just about tossing up a store and hoping people show up. It starts with market research. Identifying exactly who your ideal customers are, what problems they have, and what products will genuinely appeal to them. You need to analyze competitors, find the gaps, and figure out how your brand can offer something better or different. Then comes product selection. This means sourcing high-quality items, negotiating with suppliers, and building a catalog that feels intentional and cohesive. Every product should fit into your brand's identity and speak directly to your target customer. From there, you move into branding. Creating a name, logo, store design, and an identity that resonates. This isn't a one-hour task. It means crafting a visual and emotional experience that feels trustworthy and premium. And finally, there's marketing. You need to understand ad platforms, build sales funnels, test creatives, optimize your messaging, and constantly tweak your targeting. You'll run ads, study metrics, and adjust until you crack the code. There's no wonder that so many people seem fixated on these issues. It's work, it's real work. But when you pull it all together, you don't just build a store, but you build an asset that can scale, grow, and support you for years to come. This is exactly where turnkey solutions flip the script. Instead of spending months piecing everything together from scratch, researching products, designing your store, writing copy, testing ads, a good turnkey system gives you all of that ready-made. You skip the guesswork and go straight to what works. You get a fully built store complete with vetted products, optimized layouts, and professionally written product descriptions. The targeting, already mapped out. The ad creatives, ready to launch. The hard parts, the things that usually stop people in their tracks, are already handled. What would normally take weeks of learning trial and error can be set up in a matter of hours. It doesn't remove the hustle, it just allows you to jump ahead to the stage where making money is better guaranteed. That's why turnkey stores are such a game changer, especially for new entrepreneurs. They flatten the learning curve, reduce startup costs, and give you a real shot at getting traction faster than most people ever get. With the right tools in place, the path to that six-figure breakthrough becomes a whole lot clearer. This is why I love Sellvia. Sellvia isn't just a turnkey solution. It's a team of top professionals working on your behalf, and they're all ready to take a load off wherever the need may arise, and especially in that startup phase. Behind every product, ad, and strategy is a team that's done the heavy lifting for you. They handpick high-demand products, build professional product pages with persuasive copy, and craft ready-to-go ad creatives and promo videos with proven targeting strategies. Instead of guessing what might work, you launch with a fully optimized campaign, crafted and refined by experts who know exactly how to drive sales. The word in dropshipping these days is organic marketing on social media. If you want to get into that, you can check out Sellvia's social media marketing tool. Or you can check out the top 25 best-selling videos of July to get products and promo content proven to sell. And if you ever hit a roadblock, Sellvia's team is standing by with expert guidance to help you troubleshoot, optimize, and grow. In short, you're not just getting tools, you're getting your own team that helps you juggle business and pick up slack wherever it's needed, so you can keep your hands free to focus on what you do best. Anyway, if you haven't checked out Sellvia before, you can actually start your own store with them for free. If you're new with them, you can also start using their ad service, Sellvia Ads, for free. It's really top-notch. If you already have a store with them, then you can check out the products I mentioned. I'll leave the links below in the description. Anyway, that's what I got for today. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I'll get back to you because I love talking to the folks. Hit like, subscribe, hit that noti bell. Don't sweat the small stuff this summer. Stay cool, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.